In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to send high-quality media on WhatsApp. This is essential because it ensures clear communication by preserving the details in images, videos, and audio files. To do this, simply head to your WhatsApp. Tap onto the settings icon on your bottom right. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of storage and data. On this page, in the section of media quality, select media upload quality. Make sure to mark as HD quality. All sent media will be of great quality compared to when sent in standard quality, hence reflecting a level of professionalism and attention to detail, which can enhance the perception of the sender. That's how easy it is to send high-quality photos and videos on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.